Hello everyone, welcome back. This is NikkaNadia. Today we are going to be practicing belly dance and doing a 3-step turn. A 3-step turn is a very commonly used turn in Oriental dance as well as all dance styles. It's quite simple. Let's practice it together. Stepping out to the side with our left foot. We're going to step 1. Then stepping with our right foot, turning back 2. Then stepping back open with our left foot, 3. Again, just the feet going the other direction. Starting with right foot, step 1. Turn back in your space, stepping with your left foot, 2. Opening right foot, 3. Again, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Once more. 1, 2, 3. Next, I'd like us to practice a spot. A spot is used in dancing when we are turning in order to maintain our balance, our focus, and not get dizzy. The way that we do this is by starting to rotate our body and keeping our focus at one another. So you can look at me, I'll look at you. Start to rotate over your shoulder. Go as far as you can, keeping your head looking forward, and then rotate your head and continue to turn your body. So we are rotating, looking over the shoulder. Rotate head, continue to turn. So let's keep going like this. Turn, look, turn. Turn, look, turn. Once more, turn, look, turn. Now let's go the other direction. Starting to turn over your shoulder, looking. Look over the other shoulder and continue to turn. So turn, look, turn. Keep going. 2 more. Good. And back to center. So you can either spot the audience or you can spot where you're going. I like to spot where I'm going. So for example, in this 3-step turn, I'm turning right now to my right, but your left, we're mirroring one another. So I'm going to turn my focus this way. I'm looking 1, 2, and looking back very quickly 3. Okay, and going back the other direction, stepping out 1, 2, 3. Again, now I'm going to try it by spotting the audience. So looking out at you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, now let's add some arms. So we have the feet, we have the spot, and then finally adding on the arms. There's many different ways that we can do this. We can simply open, close, open. We could open, close, open. We could open, close, open. So any variation that you would like, practicing the arms are long, then they come in, and then they come back open. But that doesn't mean that necessarily every time we're doing a 3-step turn, that's how we're doing our arms. We could do a 3-step turn with the arms open. We could do a 3-step turn with the arms down. Okay, but for today, let's practice open, close, open. Starting with feet, spotting, and arms. Here we go. We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Let's add a twist at the end of our turn. So we'll step 1, 2, 3. Twist your hip. So accent that right hip forward. Then stepping again on this foot. 1, 2, 3. Twist. 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 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Faster. 1, 2, 3. Twist. 1, 2, 3. twist. 1, 2, 3, twist. Last time, twist. Excellent. Shake it out if you're a little dizzy. Now let's try one last thing together here and do 2 3-step turns in a row. Stepping over to your side of your room so you have some space to turn. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, twist. 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 Last time. 2, 3, twist, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, twist. Excellent. So I hope you had fun practicing your turns with me today, and have a beautiful rest of your day, guys.